let's check something together. We know that 625 is 25 times 25, also negative value of the same numbers. So does that mean that instead of 625, once we're going to go positive 25 and then negative 25? What do you think? The answer is we only need to deal with the positive one. And the reason is the square root of a number is always positive. Okay? Now, for this radicand, okay, this radicand has to be a perfect square so that we could get rid of the second radical. So we will assume that this is the same as a plus b squared. Let's go and expand a plus b squared. So instead of 625, we write positive 25. And we square both sides so that we get rid of the radical. Okay. Now, okay, we will assume that these 25 is the same as a squared plus b squared, and 625 square root of that is the same as 2ab. The square root of 624 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 156. Okay. And now the two are from both sides canceled. So this is the most important part of the question. Okay. So you see that we have the prime factorization of 156. Now we want the product of two of these factors that they become 156. Okay. And when we add them, they become 25. Okay. So what two numbers are like that? See, 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. Times 13 is 156. And when we add these two, they become 25. So we solve the equation. We have the value of a and b. Let's go and replace them. Okay, let's plug in the values. Okay, the radical is removed and we end up with this. But before you leave, we're going to do another example very quick. Okay, you could also pause the video and you just need to follow the same steps if you'd like to find the answer to this. Okay, the only difference of this question to the last one is that this time we'll have a negative here, is a minus here. Okay, 289 is 17. Okay, and I'm gonna just take out 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay. So just like the previous question, we're looking for two numbers with their products to be 72. And then when we add them, they become 17. Well, I think it's not that difficult to guess. 8 and 9 are like that. Okay, let's quickly go and plug in the numbers. Okay, there you go. So that's the final value of the second question. So if you're looking for something more challenging than this question, click on the video on the left. If you want the same level, click on the video on the right.